Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook username. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook application. Then tap on your profile icon. Now tap on three horizontal dots. Then scroll down to the bottom of your screen. There you can find your profile link option, and this is your Facebook user ID. Tap on copy link button if you want to share your profile with your friends. And this is how you can find Facebook user ID. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.